Ngayon, pumunta naman tayo sa garahe. No, sino yung mga elite na mga professionals na makikita nyo sa isang garahe ng Formula 1 team? Unahin na natin yung mga leaders ng isang F1 garage. Siyempre, nandyan na yung chief mechanic nila at number 1 mechanic per car. Meron tayong chief mechanic and then meron tayong number 1 mechanic per car. Like, sino yung number 1 mechanic ng car number 1? At saka sino yung number 1 mechanic ng car number 2. Yung chief mechanic, syempre, as the name suggests, siya yung overall na leader ng isang garahe. Siya yung nagko-coordinate ng buong garage crew to make sure top-notch execution tsaka yung quality ng kanilang trabaho. And then of course, he has to coordinate kung anong nangyayari between both cars. Ang chief mechanic, nagre-report siya sa sporting director ng isang Formula 1 team. Yung number 1 mechanic naman per car, siya yung nagda-direct sa mga car mechanics to make sure 100% ready yung kanilang assigned na car during the race weekend. And usually, nagre-report yung number 1 mechanic per car sa chief mechanic nila at race engineers to make sure na tama yung car setup. Kasi most of the time, magkaiba talaga yung setup ng car number 1 and the car number 2. Depende na yan sa driver's preference. Sa mga regular mechanics naman, meron tayong 10 types. Yung front-end mechanics, kung saan sila yung in charge sa front part ng kotse, from the front wing, yung front suspension, kasama na doon yung mga brake ducts. And then kung may front-end mechanics, meron naman tayong rear-end mechanics. Sila yung in charge sa rear suspension and sa rear wing. And apart from the front-end and rear-end mechanics, meron tayong mga technicians sa gearbox, meron tayong technicians sa hydraulics, and of course, yung mga car electronics and controls. Meron din tayong mga specific na technician for the brakes. Most importantly, yung power unit na mga technicians. And meron tayong mga technicians for the tires to check for tire pressures and then yung procedures paglalagay ng mga tire blankets. And para mahanda yung mga different tire compounds during the race weekend. And lastly, meron tayong mga technicians for the bodywork and yung mga composite and carbon fiber part. Sila yung in charge sa pagre-repair just in case may mga incidents sa track. Sila talaga yung nag-work beyond the hours para lang maihanda ulit yung mga kotse for the next stage of a race weekend. And syempre, wag nating kakalimutan yung mga tao who are in charge of the setup ng garahe. Sila yung mga personnels na kailangan talaga maihanda nila yung garahe ng car number 1 and then yung car number 2 na lahat dapat ng mga tools ready na, nandyan na, lalong-lalo na yung mga data collection tools.